I think it's crucial to, as I said earlier, about having medical support. So if you're feeling anxious and you don't seek out medical treatment and are not under the continuing and appropriate treatment from a medical practitioner that is qualified to treat you with anxiety, and for insurance companies that often means a medical doctor, someone with a MD, not only a psychologist. They're still going to want it supported by a medical doctor, but it's very important to be under regular medical care. So if the anxiety is bothering you because you're in a difficult work environment and are under a lot of pressure, but you haven't sought out medical care, you're not going to get very far with a disability claim without having medical proof of the impact this is having on you. For you to say that I can't function, etc., isn't enough. It has to be severe enough for you to seek out medical treatment. I would suggest, if they have it in their family, turning to other family members to support them in making the application. Doctors generally are, I don't want to use the word stressed out, but they're certainly very busy and don't have time to necessarily provide the type of support to help fill out applications. You can seek out legal assistance with it as well. The problem is that the costs associated with it may be something that you can't really consider up front. So I would suggest turning to family members, perhaps a clergy person, a spiritual leader, community leader, someone else who, a volunteer organization, something like that you trust, that you may feel that they can provide you with some sort of support. If you are speaking with a psychologist or a social worker, even though, as I said earlier, they may not be MDs, they can often provide some sort of support through that process. Even if they're not going to fill out the forms for you, they may be able to guide you to some extent. And cost obviously is a concern, but get the help that you need so that you're not failing to submit these claims because you can't deal with it. Because if you do that, there's deadlines and time limits involved, and you may be too late once you can get your act together to submit the claim.